brake at all?
Yeah, he's building. I don't know what the hell he's doing. But...
Oh my God, what you building? Oh, custom built bike. That's dope. We got the chrome, and then we got our wheels, freshly powder coated. Hell yeah. This is what we putting on the bike. This look good. Yeah, I'm glad you got it powder coated at your shop, man. They did an amazing job. The inserts, huh? Yeah, that look good, man. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here sliding. We getting some stuff done. We had a long morning. We got a lot of stuff we had to get done at the house with shoes and a lot of other merch packages. I got a box right here full of merch. I'm about to have to, I got a lot of merch right here in this box. I'm about to go ahead and send out right here at the post office right now. So stay tuned. It's not all the merch that's left. I'm waiting on the packages to arrive this week so we can send out the rest of the keychains and the last little hats and whatnot. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate everybody for all the support, man. We got these things in here locked and loaded right now. A gang of hats and keychains. But yeah, we're in the Silverbullet right now, as y'all can see. Make sure y'all enter to win this joint. We only got a few spots left, man. We are almost sold out. So make sure y'all get in to win it by grabbing you a SLIDN keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, a SLIDN and a HIDN keychain, or a Red Kicks by Dre cap. Actually, we sold out of Red Kicks by Dre cap, so we have no more of those. But you can still get you 3 sets of keychains to enter to win, because I'm trying to go live this Saturday if we can. So stay tuned for that. But we about to do this and head back to the crib and get some stuff done, y'all. So stay tuned. We sliding. So we back out here at the house, y'all. We about to go ahead and get the Silverado back fixed, because I'm telling y'all, I got faith in it. I have to run to Harbor Freight to give me some more quick little tools. I really needed this for these little things right here, these clamps. So we're about to get this thing fixed and on the way, y'all. I already have put the water pump, but I know exactly what I did. The gasket in the back had to slide off track, and I got the water leaking out more than it should. So we're about to take it off and get to it, man. We can't get discouraged because we need this truck running and sliding. I need both these things working at the same time so we get to pull the RV and the boat out instead of me dropping one and using the other. So that's what we're about to do, y'all. We finally got this thing fixed and running. I know exactly what I did. So when I took off the belt and everything and the water pump, I had the gasket crooked because I had the 2 top bolts in there holding the gasket onto the water pump. But it slid to the side and allowed all that water to come down. So that's why right now we really got too much of nothing dripping. Yesterday when I did it, it was pouring down water non-stop, meaning all the water inside the motor and the radiator was all coming immediately back out. Now we got it looking good. This thing is running strong, sounding a lot much better. With no leaks, we're gonna leave it running for like the next 30 minutes to really make sure it's no overheating and to make sure I got enough water inside. So yeah, sir, right now we looking good. We're gonna let it heat up for a minute, y'all. But then again, as long as it's not leaking, I'm gonna go on a test drive. After that, I'm gonna double back on the block, get in the gas, make sure everything is good let it cool off. First thing in the morning before I pull off, I'm gonna check the water again. But I'm honestly happy we fixed this because this truck is very needed right now, especially with me giving away my other truck. I need this until I at least get the new one. So stay tuned, y'all. We got the truck fixed and running. Yes, sir, man. We done finally made it to sunny Los Angeles, y'all. We got the bike on the back. The truck ran good. We gotta honestly see if we are leaking anything. It was no leaks, no overheating, but you gotta be sure. So let's double check and make sure, y'all. We're on a hell of a ride. But one thing I can say that was a big disappointment, I had no heater. And my dad told me, he was like, man, you gotta make sure that water is filled up. So that's what we about to try to do right now. Let this thing cool off for a minute. Add some more water in here. Go get some coolant, some antifreeze, so that water don't freeze. That's why we need antifreeze, because it can't freeze. But besides that, we did a cool, pretty job, man. I'm definitely happy and satisfied we made it all the way out here. Because I'm telling you, I was ready to let this shit go. Everybody know. And then on top of that, we gotta get this shit, boy. Oh, we got a gang of rims. What's going on, man? I done finally caught you. I was calling him, like, I know he probably busy up in there working. You busy today? This is crazy. What is this? Oh, it's yours? Your design?
Also a customer, yeah.
This is nice. How you doing, man? This is nice. Dre.
This is Marco.
What up, Marco? This is sick. I ain't seen nothing like this. You know what's crazy? My boy got a Camaro with these same rims that look just like this. A lot of people probably won't like it, but I like it. And it's single disc. No brake at all?
Yeah, he's building. I don't know what the hell he's doing. But...
Oh my God, what you building? How are they gonna stop this bike?
I guess this is shoes.
A hydro or something? That's crazy.
He's gonna have one on the back, but yeah, nothing on the front.
That's the back wheel?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. What is this going on? A Harley, right?
That's a custom built bike.
Oh, a custom built bike. That's dope. I'm not gonna lie, I like that design. It's simple.
Simple, clean, yeah.
You are loaded the fuck up. You got hella rims. Oh, it's coming up? That's crazy.
March 2nd.
March 2nd. Oh yeah, that's around the corner.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You got another machine or that always there?
No, it was always there.
I just never seen you use it, that's why.
We make the hubs of that machine.
Wow, I never seen that. That's crazy. Oh, so it goes on there and it grinds it down? That's crazy. Dude, you got so many rims. These came from Chrome?
Yeah.
I like these. What are these? Oh, these are wheels I got. Same exact ones, just like these, right? Yeah, they look good in chrome. We got the chrome, and then we got our wheels, freshly powder coated. We got the hubs. That's crazy. They look good. Yes, sir. And these are the blinks, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, my guy got a little bit of everything in here. All the different hubs. Woo, Marco, you got some heavy artillery, man. That's crazy. You got fucking loads. I remember I used to do this at Amazon. That was my first job. That's what taught me how to use these in the forklift.
Oh, in Amazon warehouse? Or...
Yep, I used to go to Buena Park. That's crazy. Yeah, man, this dude got all the tools. This is a different type of design. Oh, this is like a copy of the stock wheel, right?
That's
the new ones, though, right? Yep, I got a front one because I remember these little creases. That's crazy. Damn. Oh, this one been cleaned already or no? That's crazy, the different stages they gotta go through. Yeah, that's amazing, the stages you go through. That's crazy. And this is the 23 Got the 18. Yeah, that shit looks good. Hell yeah. This is what we putting on the bike. This look good. Yeah, I'm glad you got it powder coated at your shop, man. They did an amazing job.
Yeah, it's a 2-stage coating.
This thing
on top, so.
good. That's crazy. This 23 gonna look good. Man, I gotta get the matching rotors. That's crazy. Yeah, I can imagine with that tire on there. Hey, can you imagine this as a front wheel with the fat kit?
Fat tire kit?
Yeah. You could do that too, huh?
Yeah.
That'd be crazy. So it's really, the face is the same. It's really just this part gotta be wider.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this is nice, dude. Yeah, we gotta throw this on. That's crazy. Yeah, dude, you got it going. Yep, so these is going onto the Silverbullet, y'all. We got the back rim. We just waiting on one more little piece. Then we about to get them fully assembled and have them on the way. Yes, sir, I cannot wait, y'all. These are going onto the Silverbullet. We got chrome, and we got black. Then we got an extra set. I cannot wait. Hey, did the guy get those rose gold wheels with the hub that's right there? Or you have to resend them out? Cause I remember you told me they had to get redone. These ones?
I shipped it.
You shipped them out to them already or to the shop?
Yeah, this one is, what happened, they copper plated 2 left side hubs.
Oh,
by mistake, so.
Wow. I'm loving it though, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I cannot wait. Them wheels gonna look good as hell on this bike. That's for sure. Now see what's going on though, man. You got so many fucking wheels in here right now. You fully loaded. I like that fat tire kit still. That shit looks amazing. That's crazy. Oh, these naked too? Are you taking these to polish?
No, some actually I'm shipping to a customer. He has his own powder coating booth.
Wow.
He's doing all custom colors, 2-tone.
Oh, so it's gonna be the examples, like having them on the wall, showing them.
No, he's building bikes.
Oh, okay, that's dope.
He set up a small powder coating booth. So
Yeah.
He gets them prepped for paint. He does the finish himself.
That's crazy. I really like these wheels. If I had a fast race bike, these would be the wheels on there. I swear to you, they need to make these like carbon fiber or something. Oh, they'll be super light.
They actually do make similar style carbon fiber.
See?
5 spoke like those.
Yep. It's a basic look that just look good. Everybody's style is different. I like subtle and simple. That's for sure. Yeah, see, I gotta give me one of these.
Right here. They're expensive.
Oh yeah.
But
damn. How much they want? $23.50. Woo! That's one rim.
Yeah.
That's a one rim. To the right little racer though, they gonna do it. They be trying to have their bikes.
19 by 3.5.
Damn, 19 by 3.5. That's the front.
So 23 is probably like 3K.
23 probably like 4K for real. That's sick. Man, you killing it with this fat tire. I love it. I think it's huge. He got the fat front tire. That's crazy. Yeah, that's dope, bro. I swear. Soon as I give me another bike, I want to do that ASAP. I swear, that is sick. I won't go dirt bike riding on that Harley. I swear to you. I know it could, because look how huge that is compared to the other one. That's a huge difference. That's crazy, man. Yes, sir, man. We are sliding up from the rim shop. I cannot wait. We about to grab those wheels like this week. We just waiting on one last little part. And then we waiting on one other back rim from the powder coat shop. He only had both of the front rims. I got 2 sets made for the current bike that I have in the backyard right now. I told you I was gonna take the frame off and build. And I'm kind of mad, but we had to take the other bike and drop it off to my boy. So we're gonna go ahead and get our other bike in the garage, strip that to the frame, bring it to LA and get it powder coated. So stay tuned for that. We about to have this thing coming on the way. Y'all cannot wait. It's game time, baby. But yeah, man, we sliding. Y'all see what's going on. Make sure I enter the win to the Silverbullet. We are almost sold out. Those are rims we are putting on that bike. I cannot wait. That thing is about to look good, y'all. We got the 23 with the custom 18. So stay tuned, man. It's going to look real good in a matter of time, y'all. I'm telling you, I cannot wait, man. But we about to get to it, man. We sliding, not hiding, y'all. What up, YouTube, man? So we done made it back to the house, y'all. I appreciate everybody tuning in and watching today's video, man. It means the most to me because we are growing and growing, getting more subscribers, trying to be on our way to 20,000. We are at about 10,400, but with the support of y'all, we're growing, getting to where we need to be. So I appreciate y'all for that. But it's a wrap for this video. I'm about to go ahead. I just got the shower. I'm about to go ahead and get in the garage, take apart that 2015 Road Glide so I can get that into the frame doctor. To the powder coat shop tomorrow. So I'm about to get to that. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. I need to upload this video today so y'all can see what's going on. We sliding, not hiding, man.